good day and welcome to today's video in which we are going to be looking at reviewing documents and specifically focusing now on tracking changes. Okay, so here's just a typical document and you'll see I've got a number of problems in this document. So the idea with tracking changes is that I'm gonna, let's say for example, we're working and we're doing an assignment together. So each one of us has a part in the assignment. I do my part, I send it to the next individual. They can then check through everything I've done, highlight certain changes or make certain changes, which I can then, when the document comes back to me, accept or reject. So here you can see there are obviously some problems. And when the document comes back to me, it's going to have a whole lot of different changes and it'll be underlined, etc. But you'll see as we go along. Okay, so first things first, I've got to go to the review tab. Then I've got to go to track changes and I've got to turn track changes on. Now I can go into my document and I can decide what I want to change. So I'm going to put here an apostrophe. John's gone to the store to buy fresh fruit and nuts for his dog. And dog, we are going to make that small, and let's just add, for example, let's just make it bold. Okay, so there we go. So now you can see we've made certain changes. So in the review tab under tracking, we just want to make sure that everything is reflecting. We can go to our review pane and you'll see there all the changes that have been done. So for example, now let's say I receive the document like this and I go accept and I say accept change. Now this is where it then comes up. So you'll see now that I've got all the changes listed here, and the reason it says Hambury Bros is because that's the name of the account over there. All right, so if you are logged in, it'll have your name or whoever the author of the document is. Right, so there it tells us O was deleted. Right, so I can go and I can say, okay, well, I accept that particular change and that's fine, and I can move on to the next. So you see, once I've accepted the change, nothing's highlighted there anymore. Then I can go and say, okay, I'm going to accept the next one, and I'm going to accept the next one, but this one I'm going to reject. I'm going to accept the next one, I'm going to reject the next one, and the next one, and accept the next one, and the last one I'm going to accept. I'm going to accept that change as well. So there they say there aren't any comments or track changes in our document. We click OK, and this is how we have turned on track changes. This is how we have implemented certain changes and also accepted or rejected. So what's going to happen is you're going to get a document, and let me actually see, I've got one here that already there you can see. This is generally how you'll get it in your exams. They will give you this and then they will tell you which ones to accept or reject. Okay, and that's how we do that. If I go to review and I turn off track changes, it means when I make a change here, it's not going to do anything. Right? I can only once I turn on track changes and I now decide, you see there, that I'm going to change something, then it will actually keep track of that. Okay, so this is how we implement tracking changes.